नमस्कार दोस्तों, हैप्पी डे ऑफ सीफेरर्स। टुडे इज 25th June, International Day of Seafarers. Since 2010, we are celebrating this day as the Day of Seafarers to recognize the work and the sacrifice of the seafarers and their contribution to world economy. So today in this occasion, I would like to thank and salute all seafarers for all their hard work and sacrifice they have done and to keep the world trade moving in this global pandemic. I know many seafarers have already completed their contract, but they are still not sure about their relief due to travel restrictions. So today in this video, I will first briefly tell you about how I sign off and reach home. Then I'll give you an update on the current status of crew change for Indian seafarers. I sign off on 14th June from Houston. Houston port was open for crew change, and all domestic and international flight are running in US. So there is no issue. But India government has still not started the international flight yet. So the but India government has given the permission to use the charter flight for crew change in foreign ports. So many shipping companies have come together and they hire the charter flight to carry out the crew change in foreign ports. Now Doha and Colombo has become major hub for crew change for Indian seafarers. Uh, Charter flight are running from Doha and Colombo to India. Now Doha and Colombo has become the major hub for crew change via charter flight. All the charter flight are running every alternate day from Doha and Colombo to various destinations in India. For Doha, they allow only 22 hours stay in Doha. So if you are transiting via Doha, then your next confirmed flight from Doha should be within 22 hours of your arrival in Doha. For Sri Lanka, they allow 5-day stay in Colombo for joining crew, and they allow 7-day stay in Colombo for signing off crew. So after I sign up from Houston I come to Chicago. Then from Chicago I came to Doha. फिर दोहा से चार्टर फ्लाइट से आई कम टू दिल्ली. देन आफ्टर रीचिंग दिल्ली मेरा आई रीच दिल्ली ऑन 16th June. देन मेरा नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट था 16th को अर्ली मॉर्निंग था. बट इन दिल्ली में हमें रोक दिया गया. दे डिडंट अलाउ मी टू बोर्ड द डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट. दे आस्क टू गो टू होटल फॉर 7 days क्वारंटाइन. तो मुझे दिल्ली में 7 day होटल में रहना पड़ा क्वारंटाइन में. देन ऑन 7th day दे गिव द मेडिकल चेकअप करके दे गिव मी अ डिस्चार्ज सर्टिफिकेट एंड दे आस्क मी टू go for 7 days home quarantine in my hometown. But when then 23rd I come to Orissa, Bhubaneswar. But when I reach Bhubaneswar, they ask me to go for 14 days quarantine at home, बिकॉज उड़ीसा स्टेट का रिक्वायरमेंट था कि आप उड़ीसा से बाहर से कहीं से भी आ रहे हो, कलकत्ता हो, दिल्ली हो, मुंबई हो, या कहीं फॉरेन से भी आ रहे हो, तो व्हेन यू कम टू उड़ीसा फ्रॉम आउटसाइड देन यू हैव टू गो फॉर 14 days क्वारंटाइन. तो अभी मुझे उड़ीसा में यहाँ पे विल हैव टू स्टे फॉर 14 days in quarantine. So finally I reached home after 7 months. Now I am at home on quarantine. I am staying in my flat alone. I have sent my families to my in-laws house because I don't want to take any risk. I'll bring them back after I complete my quarantine period. So this is all about my sign off regarding the crew change updates for Indian seafarers. India government has already allowed the crew change in Indian ports from 22nd April. So if your ship is coming to Indian ports for a normal cargo operation, then your company can plan for crew change in Indian ports. Now in अभी इंडिया में डोमेस्टिक फ्लाइट भी ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो गया, तो देर विल बी नो इशू फॉर क्रू चेंज इन इंडियन पोर्ट्स. एंड और एक ऑप्शन है, अगर आपका शिप इंडिया के पास से जा रहा है, देन इफ़ ओनर एंड चार्टर एग्री, देन दे कैन डाइवर्ट द शिप टू इंडियन पोर्ट फॉर crew change. For foreign ports, charter flight is the only options. फ्रॉम इंडिया से बाहर जाने के लिए या इंडिया में आने के लिए चार्टर फ्लाइट इज़ द ओनली ऑप्शन. नाउ देर इज़ वन गुड न्यूज़ फॉर यू एंड वन बैड न्यूज़ फॉर यू. Good news is that Sri Lanka and Hong Kong has lifted the restriction on crew change on certain condition. Dubai is also going to lift the restriction on crew change very soon in first week of July. The bad news is that the Sri Lanka has suspended the crew change in Colombo by air after they found 29 seafarers from Mumbai flying to Colombo were tested corona positive. So temporarily they have suspended the crew change in Colombo. So Doha is the only option for charter flight now. Now companies are looking for other alternatives, other alternate port like Port Blair and Batam in Indonesia, which will be cost effective for crew change. ITF had given a deadline 16th June to all the governments to take some final decisions for the crew change. Now ITF has told that this is enough. If some seafarer contract has already expired, then they have complete rights to stop work and to leave the ship to return home. So let's be positive and hope for the best. I hope the government of some other country will very soon take some decision and the international flight will resume, and seafarers, those who have already completed their contract, will sign off and return to their home and meet their families.